Experience the pinnacle of modern luxury and cutting-edge technology in this nearly new 2024 Newmar Dutch Star 4369, brought to you by Motorhome Finders. With incredibly low miles, this coach offers the very latest in RV innovation and design without the weight. Built on the formidable Spartan K2 Tag Axle chassis and powered by a 450 horsepower Cummins L9 engine, this Dutch Star provides a ride that is as powerful as it is smooth. Navigate with total confidence thanks to Newmar's exclusive comfort drive steering, enhanced by state-of-the-art safety features, including Mobileye lane tracking and the OnGuard collision mitigation system with adaptive cruise control. Step inside and prepare to be amazed. 4 slide-outs create a breathtakingly open living space, defined by the elegant Allura interior decor, luxurious heated tile floors, and beautiful Glacier Glazed Maple hardwood cabinetry. Unwind in the dual power reclining theater seats or the comfortable fold and tumble sofa, perfectly positioned to enjoy the Samsung 50-inch 4K TV that retracts on a power televator, complete with a Bose soundbar. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with a Whirlpool residential refrigerator, an induction cooktop, a convection microwave, and the added convenience of a dishwasher in a drawer. This highly desirable bath-and-a-half floor plan provides ultimate convenience for both owners and guests. The master suite is a private sanctuary featuring a plush king-size bed and an incredible rear bathroom. This spa-like space includes a massive 50 by 34-inch shower, a vanity with dual sinks, and a splendid stacked washer and dryer. The exterior is a work of art featuring Newmar's masterpiece full paint finish in the stunning Glacier graphics package, complemented by Girard power awnings and frameless double pane windows. Enjoy perfect comfort in any climate with 3 15,000 BTU Penguin heat pump air conditioners and the Oasis hydronic heating and hot water system. Power is always at your command with a 10.0 kilowatt Onan quiet diesel generator. This 2024 Newmar Dutch Star 4369 is more than a motorhome. It's a statement of quality, innovation, and unparalleled luxury. For more information on this motorhome, see the MSRP and all the photos, click the link in the description below.